I just had the worst ever pancakes. All right, so I've been wanting pancakes for a very long time. Like, pancakes are awesome, all right? If you didn't know, I like pancakes. And so I made some. It was a box mix. Rookie mistake. Box mixes are almost never good. Well, I made them. They sucked. They were so bad. They were chewy. They were rubbery. They weren't like fluffy, and the whipped creams made them worse. Horrible pancakes. But other than that, I had a good start to my morning. But let's get into Minecraft. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I was until I had pancakes. Pancakes can ruin your day, guys. So be very careful when you eat pancakes. Man, I was wanting pancakes for the longest time. Also, we need to talk about something. Dude. Pillagers. Oh my gosh, how many pillagers are there? I'm going to war. Ready for this? I'm going to absolute war. Anyway, but yeah, so there's a few pillagers, if you can't see. These have been here for days. I was flying around, I kept hearing pillagers. Oh, and the other thing, if we go over here, oh my gosh, there's so many pillagers. There's a lot of spiders in here. Oh my gosh, there's so many spiders. No! Dude, this is so cursed. It's because I'm always AFKing. What's hitting me? Stop. Is my FOV high? No. It's because I'm always AFKing. Oh my gosh, there's so many spiders. And Enderman. My world is just corrupt. Anyway, okay. We have plans today. Yeah, I usually have plans. Speaking of plans, I don't even know where I put it. Where did I put it? That is a very good question. Oh, probably down here. Oh, and I hear a pillager right now. Man. There's a lot of pillagers. They must be above me. I think I see another one. Yep. My goodness golly, guys. So many pillagers. I'm almost at 40,000 subs on my main channel. So that's cool. I doubled. I went from 2,000 2 weeks ago to 10,000 2,000 3 weeks ago, 10,000 2 weeks ago, 20,000 3 days ago, and now I'm at 37,000. So, yeah. Yeah. You call me famous if you want, but don't actually. It's weird. I'm not famous. I'll be famous at 1 million subs. We'll say that. So give me to 1 million. Go subscribe to my main channel if you haven't already. It's at JONBUB. At JONBUB. You know what today is? We work on the most despised project ever. If you didn't know, I don't like my iron farm. Or I don't... Dang, I'm running low on iron. I don't like my chicken farm, but we have to do it. Also, chicken check. 122 million. Not bad. What am I looking for? Hoppas. Hoopity hoppadas. Dang, 47 is not enough. We need to chop some trees. And then get rid of that. Do I need anything else? Yeah, probably in here I need some buckets, which apparently we have plenty right here. Let's get rid of the bad omen. Put that right in there. I think that's all I need is just some buckets. I need a lot of buckets. All right, don't judge. Tree. Oh, let's see here. What else is going on? I'm going to Nashville tomorrow. I live in Knoxville, and I'm going to Nashville. Nashville's like 2.5, 3 hours away. So I'm going to film a lot of videos there with my older sister. She's 23. So we're going there tomorrow. Yeah, got some school to do. Why do I hear zombies? Oh, because they're right there. Yeah, it's really all. Just some Nashville trip. Got some cool video ideas. And my last one got 2 million, so it's fun. It was an original idea. I think it was really neat, unique. I knew it'd get a decent amount of views. All right, get off of me, guys. I knew it'd get a decent amount of views. I did not think 2 million. No, I thought maybe 500K if I'm lucky, but Hey, I won't complain. My world is really bugged. I don't think that many pillagers are meant to spawn. Maybe they are. Like, maybe they are. Who knows? Who knows? Who knows? I don't. I don't. Oh, I'm sorry. I never played anybody's songs that were suggested. I've been so busy lately, I just forgot. And now the comments are probably too far down. So, I promise, I won't be playing tomorrow till like 10 at night because I'm going to go in the morning and then come home late. So if you comment below, whenever you see this, what song you want me to play, just give me one song. I promise you, or I almost promise you I'll play it. I'll definitely try to remember. Because yeah, I'll be filming late at night. So this comes out at 10 a.m. every day for me, and I'll be playing probably like 10 p.m. So you'll have like 12 hours-ish to comment. If you don't get around to it, I'm sorry. But yeah. Alrighty. Oh, I was like, why can't I craft any hoppers? Yeah, I'm happy with that. My poor guy is still frozen. I swear I'm going to get him out soon. But for now, we have more important things to do. Like going in here. Ooh, yeah, and turning that off. Thank you very much. Oh, you guys can't even hear it. Properties. That should be the one. Hello? Yep. Okay. I don't know why I said hello. Nope. I don't want to. Oh. Right there. Oh, that's ground level. Okay. I can do with that. Where's our dispensers? Did I not pick them up? Why can I not? Oh my gosh. John. Don't die, please. Where's my dispensers? Okay, that music's a little annoying. I gotta lock in. I can get very easily know when I'm working on this chicken farm. Just an FYI. Especially because of all the eggs I pick up. Oh my gosh. Just because of all the eggs I pick up. I always have full inventory, so it annoys the crap out of me. Okay, we put them down here. What the heck happened to them? Did I not pick them up? Apparently not. Yeah. Ugh. Stop. I should probably put anything I'm worried about losing away, because if I drop anything in this farm, I'm never seeing it again. It's impossible to pick up with all the eggs. So we're just going to put that in there. Regen a little bit more. Dang, we already used amens. Oh my gosh, chicken of the week. Chicken of the week. I'm like 2 days behind on that. Let's do that. We're going to go over today. I don't care. We're going over today. John, I have made a decision, so y'all are going to respect it. I mean, not that you wouldn't, but you know. Okay, sign. And we got the eggs. Perfect. And some eyes. Nope, don't have enough diamonds. Just gonna do diamond eyes. We have some in our inner chest. Ooh, purple blocks is cool. I like that. Miss anything else? We got the sign. We got to need a fence gate. Gate. We should have some wood on us. Gate. Perfecto. Sometimes you just can't be bothered with things like... Okay, now that I can be bothered with. It's just one of them, though. I can deal with one. You die. Okay, it's 3. Let me do that. Let me do that. I realize, yeah, now I remember. I know I'm being very inaccurate with this. I'm sorry. But I'm trying to rush this so I can get away from this dang phantom. Done. Done. We missed this. This looks like a fat chicken for some reason. Bless you, John. Thank you, guys. Thank you for saying bless you if you did. What exactly happened there? What is that noise? Oh my gosh. Why do these sound so weird? Is this a fire aspect? No. I just hit it. There were 3 of them. Okay. How did you even get up? How did you get up? Okay. Gotta find out who the chicken of the week is. I think I know. Crap, I'm on the wrong YouTube studio. Let me pause the timer. Oh, my video hit 2 million officially. Let's go. Okay. Community and Ashton said my 1,000 subscriber special should be a trip to the world border. Yeah, no, thank you. That's more than just a little trip. Olivier, hello, Olivier. Cecilia, hello, Cecilia. Hello, Corn Pop. Have I made Corn Pop a chicken of the week? I don't think so. Yeah, Corn Pop, you're the chicken of the week. I've been meaning to make you chicken of the week for weeks. Number 13, I think. Oh, that's not 13. Corn Pop. I've been meaning to make you chicken of the week for a very long time, but obviously I usually go by just how many comments are on the thing. Cecilia, you're going to be next, most likely, unless I'm forgetting of somebody. Also, I mean, I got a lot of you guys. Phantom Gaming, I wanted to make you one pretty soon. Hello, James Plays Minecraft. I see you commented a couple days ago. I want to make all of you guys chicken of the week, obviously. But it just all comes down to... I mean, I don't know what it comes down to. It just comes down to me trying, but me not always being able to make you guys chicken of the week. But yes, thank you so much, Corn Pop, for always commenting, always watching the episodes. Yeah, my episode with Emmy Squid was very cryptic. Very, very cryptic. Where's the zombie? I think my world is just infested with mobs. Oh, he's right there. How are you? Okay. Let's go here. Man, my world is so infested with mobs. Okay, almost done with this. Perfect. Look at this. Look at this. And we still have 28 left. So I guess it takes 36. So, yeah. Not bad at all. Okay, then what we're going to want to do is we're going to break... Can we do double? I'm trying to think. Could we do hopper here and hopper there and then make it hopper there? I don't see why we couldn't. Yeah, because that increased the rates. It also increases my blood pressure now. That's a joke. It doesn't actually increase my blood pressure. And then when this fills up, it'll just go down here also. Yeah, that works. I think. Okay, and then can I break all this? I can't break that one, as usual. I really just need to get rid of this thing because I really don't use this thing other than for one dispenser. Or move it all back one. We could just move it all back. I mean, we've been meaning to do that for a hot minute. It would make a lot of things easier. Let's do it. I don't know why we waited so long to do this. I guess we just build the chute. But do we want it here? Because then it's in the way of walking here. I think we can just move it 2 back. To be right there. Is that 2 back? Yeah, it's 2 back. And then we get our shovel out. What I need to do is I need to get down here. Find out. Dang, this thing goes deep. What? Is it just me or is that deeper than I... Is that really how deep the farm is? Oh, I forgot. That is how deep the farm is. I should be able to get bubbles if I just go in this for a second and fall back down. Dang, the thing goes way deeper than I thought it did. Okay. I don't think we're getting that. And we dropped our chicken. And we're gonna drown. Man. Well, there's our chicken. I mean, we should be able to get that. Just gotta go here. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Is there a million eggs now? Yeah, now we're not getting it. Gosh dang it. Okay, but what we can do is grab some wood. Note drown. Don't drown, please. Okay. We'll just have to go grab a thing of soul sand. It shouldn't take more than a second. We didn't unpause the timer. That's fine. Not a huge deal. Still a deal, but it's not a huge deal. It's a lot of stuff there. What else is there? I don't know. I can't tell. Okay. What are we looking for? Soul sand. Why do we have a stack? I feel like if we only grab one, I'm going to regret that, but I also feel like I don't really feel like grabbing more than one. I don't know why I get rid of the eggs, because we're just going to fill our inventory again, but it's fine. Okay, then we add all that. Drop all the way down with our feather falling, because feather falling is awesome. And then... we don't have signs. We need a sign. But... place that. Oh, we got our souls. Oh, yeah, because we have one, so we can pick up the others. Cool. Okay. I really don't know what I'm going to do about all these eggs. What I want to do is grab a sign. Oh, let's eat. That should work. That should work. Yeah. This was long overdue. Just letting y'all know it was very long overdue. Looks like we don't have an infinite water source. I thought we did down here. Oh, wait, no, it's up here. No, I guess I got rid of it. Yeah. Let's go here. Water's a commodity, y'all. Very much a commodity. Let's go down here. Go over here. Fly over here. Do we have more? We have one more. Ooh, somebody just messaged me on Instagram twice. That's unusual. I mean, I don't know. I don't know who it was. Let me look. It was, oh, my friend. Okay. Gonna go up here. We're just gonna build the water source right. Sorry guys, I'm locked in. This thing is kind of a pain to build. It's such a tall thing. Axe. And this is why we would never survive in a manhunt, because we can't even get in the water. Okay, one more. Oh, wow. Dang. That's funny to watch. We can go ahead and break all of this now. Wait, what's going on? Oh, I see. Place that. Should now go down. Yep. No, I don't want to go down that far. Help. Wow, look at that. Now we have this entire thing. Does that, yeah, we can't break that. Okay, and then we can break all this dirt. Break all this. We really should have done this like months ago, weeks ago, whatever, a very long time ago. But we didn't, and now here we are. Okay, but now we can fix every single level. Just like that. Another one of these. Did the eggs pass through? They do. Okay. Guess we don't have to mess with that then. And then we go down one more layer. This is getting stuck for some reason. Don't know why that's happening. I think that should still flow. I don't know, I can't check. I'm stuck. Okay. Perfect. Break all this. Oh. Dang, we're almost out of fireworks. We have obviously more, but in our inventory that is. Okay. Hello, Bartholomew. How are you? How are you doing? We're almost done, guys. I know it's been a longer episode, but I do appreciate you guys if you are still here. Oh. They were in our last firework. Move, move, move. Yeah, go over there. Thank you. More? Aw. Almost out of hoppers again. Okay, well, that's done. And then we will place that. Okay, this is almost done. Yeah, we almost have another entire layer. Let me make sure everything should be working. Let's just check, because we did just mess with a lot of stuff this episode, but it should still be working. Oh, we might want to fix that. Perfect. Okay, so that shouldn't be dispensing, though. Those are dispensing, those are dispensing, those are dispensing. Yeah, we should be good. If we're not, it'll only knock us a couple chickens, so it's fine. Oh, crap. Oh, my gosh. We should actually be able to get down through, back up through here. Good. That's an easy way back up. I just don't have fireworks. Okay, guys, well, thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. Sorry I went over today. Have a great day. Congrats, Corn Pop, me Chicken of the Week. You deserve it. See you guys tomorrow.